Hello and welcome to Cooking Plus Alcohol. I'm Nat and I'm going fast today. We're going to be making vodka gazpacho. Why? Because it's a really bright day and there's sun out and you need to be outside and I need to be outside.
When are we going outside?
We need to be outside, yes. Thank you, Em.
Okay, we're going to cut up the vegetables, but we're going to start with the onions. Onions have been pretty bitter this year, so we're going to cut them up and we're going to soak them in some water for half an hour. We're going to cut up the Anaheim chilies. And I'm going to pull the green part out of the garlic and the cucumber. Scoop all the gunky stuff, scoop all the squishy stuff out of the cucumbers, put that aside, and we're going to put the same goopy stuff from the tomatoes into that too, and add some Tabasco later. It actually makes a good drink. Cut up the bread, and here you'll see I messed up because I should have finely chopped up the tomatoes, but I forgot. The blender doesn't blend if your tomatoes aren't finely chopped. It'll just kind of sit there. Now we're going to cut up the garnishes. We got little bitty cherry tomatoes, different colors, and we have a chiffonade of basil leaf. I've never made a chiffonade before. Now I and you know what they are. And now on to blending. We're going to blend those chopped tomatoes up. We're going to put in all the spices and the liquid, in this case vodka. Make sure it all turns into a liquid. Now we're going to blend in the cucumbers, the peppers, the garlic. Then we're going to put some bread in. We're going to let that soak up a little bit. And the onions, they've been sitting for half an hour. We're going to put those in, blend that all up. Olive oil, I'm going to drizzle in 1/8 cup of olive oil, put it in slowly, let that turn into an emulsion as they call it. Then we're going to grab it and we're going to chill it. But while that's in the fridge, we're going to fry. Once you have homemade fresh croutons, you never go back to the ones from the box. This is homemade fresh sourdough. Gotta be honest here, making the croutons took up about 1/3 of the time of the total recipe, but man, it was worth it. Now we're gonna make it. You see how fast it is. You pour it, you put on the toppings, you're done.
Easy to make in the blender, keep it in the fridge. Em, what did everybody think?
Patrick thought it was superb for a hot day, and Sophie was like, oh wow, it's really good. OMG. I thought this is a cool way to have veggies.
Thank you, Em. So there you have it. And I'll see you in a couple of weeks with recipes for alcohol-infused carpaccio.
If you have an idea for the next Cooking Plus Alcohol recipe, drop them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button or join me for another video right now. See you next time, and don't forget to play with your food.